Hey, I have a project and a giveaway today. A friend of mine brought this over. He picked this up at a garage sale. Apparently somebody bought it and used it till it didn't run anymore, and we're going to clean this thing up and see if we can get it running again. Show you what I'm going to clean it with. I've got some super clean here, and this is what I'm giving away: a can of this and a bottle of this. I'll tell you the rules. This is a giveaway for my subscribers. It comes in a box like this, so you have to live in the continental US, lower 48, because of the shipping regulations. Let's see if we can clean this thing up. Trying to do this in between storms. Got some pretty close lightning, so please stand by. We are now several days later. I've been having severe thunderstorms every day. When I'm at work, it's nice and pretty. But I'm going to start off with this can and see what this thing does. And I did bring out a parts brush in case it's needed. I gotta clean this thing up. Once I get it cleaned up, I'll see if I can get this thing running. That'll be on another video. Right now, I just want to clean this up. Let me touch it with the brush and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's coming off pretty good. I've had really good luck with Super Clean, and we're gonna do a giveaway for my subscribers. Man, it's coming off there real nice. I'll have details for the giveaway somewhere through the video. Try some of the spray on some of these other areas and the other side of the blade. I'd say that's working real well also. Haven't even put the brush on it yet. You can see it's just washing it off. Well, I don't think anybody wants to watch me clean this whole thing, but I think you can see from what I've done so far that this is working really well. So let me finish cleaning this up. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Pretty much everybody will agree this looks 1,000 times better than it did when I started. I want to show you something. This is just a little goofy thing. I found an easy way to get these off if anybody's interested. You blow this up like a balloon, and then you make a fist, get your fingers out. Then there's no fingers in there. It's easy to pull the glove off and reuse. So in case you missed it, for eligibility, you have to live in the lower 48. You get a can of this and a spray bottle of this. You have to be a subscriber on my channel, and just put in the comments, "Count me in." 3 words, that's it. And I'll pick somebody, and this will be sent to your house directly from Super Clean. Hey, if anybody made it to the end, I appreciate it. I'm going to throw a couple of videos up over here. You can watch one of those. I'll catch you in that, or I'll catch you down the road somewhere.